show you how to connect Amazon SES account with Email Octopus. If you don't know what is Email Octopus, then let me give you a brief overview about Email Octopus. Through Email Octopus, you can send bulk emails and you can build basic automations. Octopus does not offer high-end marketing automations. So if you're a beginner and if you want to get started with email marketing, then Email Octopus is for you. And if you connect Email Octopus with Amazon SES, and then your email bills will reduce drastically. So in this video I will show you how to connect with Amazon SES to Email Octopus. All right. So first you have to create your account. Make sure you visit this URL, Amazon -SES, emailoctopus.com, Amazon -SES, and then you will land on this page, or I will give you the link below. You can click on it and directly land on this page, and then here enter your email ID. Since I have already entered the email ID, I will go to dashboard, click on it. Okay, so now we are in the dashboard. So there you can see an option like setup SES. All right, so now you have to connect your AWS account with Amazon SES, I mean Email Octopus. So click on I have AWS account, and yeah, it is showing like how to it is giving you instruction. If you already have Amazon SES account, then you don't need to follow these steps, and then click on I have done this step. All right, now okay, yeah, so once you have created your access key ID and secret key ID, then you have to copy and paste these two things. So let me do that. All right, now click I have done this. Okay, so we have successfully connected Email Octopus with AWS account, and now we are ready to send emails. So all your emails will be sent through AWS account, and now you have to create a list. So let me create test, just a second. All right, and then create it, and now you have to add subscribers. You can import contacts, or add a single contact. So you can do a lot of things. And if I go to automations, then you can build basic automations. So this is our list, and click save and next, and then contact add, and then save and close. All right, so if you click on this plus icon, then you will be able to send email and then wait, and that's all you can do inside Email Octopus automation. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.